Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about the words beginning with the sound of the letter T. In this lesson, you will be able to sound out the letter T. At the same time, you will be able to read words beginning with the sound of the letter T. Are you ready? T is a letter in the alphabet. This is an uppercase letter T. How to write the uppercase letter T? Use 2 strokes to write the uppercase letter T. Start at the blue headline. Pull down straight to the blue baseline. Next, start at the blue headline. Slide right. This is a lowercase letter T. How to write the lowercase letter T? Use 2 strokes to write the lowercase letter T. Start at the blue headline. Pull down straight to the blue baseline. Next, start at the red midline. Slide right. Once again, this is the uppercase and lowercase letter T. T is a consonant and it has a sound. The letter T sounds as T, T, T.
When I watch a tennis game, when I watch a tennis game, my head goes back and forth. When I watch a tennis game, when I watch a tennis game, my head goes back and forth.
Let's read the consonant-vowel pair with which the name of each picture begins. T, A, T, tag. T, E, te, ten. T, E, T, tin. T, O, to, top. T, A, ta, tub. Let's practice. Ta, te, ti, to, ta. Te, ta, ti, ta, to. Ta, ti, te, ta, to. To, ta, ti, te, ta. Now, it's your turn. Well done. Ta, tag. Ta, tamarind. Ta, tambourine. Ta, tank. Ta, top. Ta, tart. Ta, taxi. Te, teddy. Te, ten. Te, telephone. Te, tent. T, tin. T, tissue. T, tip. To, tomato. To, tongs. To, toilet. To, top. To, tortoise. To, towel. Ta, turtle. Once again, let's read the words beginning with the sound of the letter T. Tug, tamarind, tambourine, tongue, top, tart, taxi, teddy, ten, telephone, tent, tin, tissue, tip, tomato, tongs, toilet, top, towel, tortoise, turtle. Say the name of each picture and circle the consonant-vowel pair with which each name begins. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. The picture begins with ta, top. The picture begins with T, tissue. The picture begins with ta, tag. The picture begins with to, tomato. The picture begins with te, ten. The picture begins with to, toilet. The picture begins with tamarind. Check the picture whose name begins with the sound of the letter T. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. Let's check your answers. These are the words beginning with the sound of the letter T. Tortoise, towel, tank, telephone, tambourine, tub. Practice writing the letter T on your notebook.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.